Hello, thank you for watching my video. Today I'm excited to introduce the online stores and websites tab and all the amazing tools it offers. This tab empowers you to build and manage your online presence from simple websites to for sale funnels, stores, blogs, and more, all in one place. Let's begin with the landing page. In here, the landing page basically means funnel. You all can see the name, the last update with the step for each funnel. You also can change the list view to the recent view, so you can see the draft we created and you will see it based on the time. If you want to know the specific information in the landing page, you can just click on their name and then you will enter this detailed page. You will see the step and you have the rights to do the change, such as add new step or import new step to this funnel. And you can do the editor to the content and you all can check the overview products punishing for this funnel. If you want, you also can see the stats such as page views, opt-ins, sales, earnings for this funnel. And you also can check the sales, the security, the events, the setting for this funnel. Back to the main page, you also have the search bar to search for specific funnel. And you have the chance to create a new funnel right here from scratch or use AI or buy the template. Let's do it with the template to see. As you can see here, the system offers you different template. You can see them from the category or from the business types. We can just begin with holiday to see if there have any from the holiday or health and wellness. In here, when you enter this page, you will see a lot of different template, and you can start the template for future usage, and you can see it if you click on the eyes here. You also can enter this template by click on it, and then try to editing this template. In here, you can see for this template, you have different logo, you have different text, you have different picture media. In here, all those things we called elements, and you can do the elements editing right here by click on the add elements. You can add the elements by jog and job, and you will have one right here. And if you want to delete it, you also can just zoom in to the elements, then select the delete. You also can do the change to one specific element, such as for this image, you can do the general edit, style edit, or animations. For the text, you also can do the same thing. It will show up the category for this elements, and then you can do the edit. Back to the page, and you will see when you exist the template, it will automatically take you to the funnel created page. You can edit the funnel step right here and do the change to the content or do the overview products punishing right here. Then you also can see the stats, sales, security, events, setting. You can change the setting as you want by editor the name, domain, path, and so on. When you're back to this page, even you didn't use this template or punish it yet, it will show up on the recent right here. Let's move on to the websites. In website page, you also can see all the website you have right here. You will see their name, the last update with the page. You also can do the editor by the three dots right here. You can do the edit, column, move, delete to this specific page. You also can click on the name to see the specific page view. You can do the editor to each page, and you will see the stats, sales, security, events, setting for this page. You also can create a website from the blank or template. Same as the online store, it's basically the same with the before's one. It's just different format, different online presence. You can see the information about the online store you have, and you can create a new store right here. You also have a webinar management right here, and you will see the information for each webinar you have, and you can create a webinar from the on-demand webinar or live webinar. Transfer to the analytics. In analytics, you will see the data for different category, different presence format, such as from funnel to website. The QR code we will mention later on. Also the forms, surveys, you can see all the detail for them. You also can choose to narrow down the data by the date. Right here, you can choose last 3 days, last 7 days, and so on. You will see the details such as page views, opt-ins, sales, opt-in conversion rate, and you will see the graph. You will see the page view in pie chart, the top browser, top clinics IPs, top visitor by country, help you better understand your audience and your customers. Move on to the blogs. It's also same with before. You can manage and oversee all blogs created by you for your business. In here, you will see the data such as total blog post, punished blog seats, visitor per week, and you also can create break blogs right here by set up your blog seats, and the system will take you step by step. We also have the integrate with the WordPress if you need, and then the clinics portal, which is important for you. In here, you can creating a protected online gateway for clinics interactions. You will have the clinics portal URL. You can enter the portal by click on the URL right here, and you will see the amount for the invited, also the user you have right now. And you can do different action to the clinics portal, such as generate magic link, invite to clinics portal. You can do that, and you can search the contact by name, or you can just put the email right here directly. You also can send a login email right here by search their name if they're on record. If they're not, you can just add them to the record first. You also will have the clinics portal app if you need. Then we can change to the setting for the clinics portal. You can do the setting edit right here. You can change the domain setup, the branding, the app permissions, the email settings. You also have the branded mobile app if you want. Next, we have forms. In forms, we have builder, analyze, submissions. It's basically the form you send out and people fill in all the information sent back to you. You will see the form detail by clicking on their name in here. And you can also create a new form from scratch or from the template. Analyze in here, you will see the detail for the forms. You will see the total views, response, average time, complete rate for these specific forms you send out. You also have the submission page. In here, you can check every submission for the form. Next, we have survey. It's basically the same as forms. It's just different format. You have builder, analyze, submission to help you check all the thing right here. Also, we have quizzes. In quizzes, you also can use the builder to create quiz right here by scratch or from the template. Or you can see the submission, the people submit the quiz right here. Next, we have chat widget. In here, you will see all the chat widget you have, and you will see the date update, and you will see the chat tab, type, and you will see the detail if you log into this page. Finally, we have the QR code. In the QR code page, you can generate a specific QR code for your usage. You can select the QR code name, you can select QR code type, you want to people scan this QR code, and what's the next. You want to see them to see the website, review link, call, SMS, or email. Let's just begin with the call. In here, the system will take you to the additional information. Then you can fill in the phone number you want to put on. Then you can select the QR code color and shape and finish the generate. I think that's all for the online stores and website page. Thank you for listening and patient. See you on the next video. Bye.